Anyone who's in charge of their business continuity planning efforts understands the dangers of an untested plan. It's important to conduct regular exercises to ensure the strategy that is in place actually works and the staff know precisely what to do. However, not all organizations have the resources or expertise to develop and moderate a tabletop exercise. This expertise is essential to the success or failure of the exercise and the ultimate identification of areas in need of improvement. Attainium has a proven methodology for designing, developing, and delivering tabletop exercises. We've done hundreds of them. There are many components that go into a successful tabletop exercise, like scenario, length, threats, hazards, facilities, infrastructure, and the participants. All of our exercises combine these with the planning, people, and objectives that you want exercised. To learn more about our tabletop exercise services, contact us for more information and guidance.